Okay, I'm here stopping by an open house, this beautiful house. Look at that. It's really nice. It's like 13,000 square foot is the lot size, and the house size is like 2,500. You've got RV parking here, which is really nice. A couple of big shade trees out the back, and you've got a pool. We'll go take a look at that in a minute. A nice feature of this home is it has like, like a separate, I call it a granny flat from where I'm from, but like a separate flat for someone else. We'll see that in a second. Downstairs. Okay, we come inside. We have a nice lounge room right here. We've got the ceiling fan, always a nice feature. And so from the lounge room, we're going to enter into the kitchen zone, and then we go into the separate little living quarter. So you've got one bedroom in here, nice sized bedroom with a full bath. You've got like a cabinet, mirror. You got your walk-in shower right there. A nice cupboard space. But the nice thing here is then you got this separate room right here too. So this could be, it's potentially you could rent this out. It's got its own separate keyed entry right there. So that would be really cool. And then you got nice tile work on the floor. Everything looks really nice. It's built in the 1970s, I believe about 1972. You can see it in the kitchen zone here. You got a nice cook stove top right here, General Electric. Nice big microwave. We got the owner's dogs there, you can hear in the background. Nice big Samsung refrigerator, and another stove over here. Countertops look fairly good. Then you got a nice big fireplace right here. I love that. Big fireplace. So this is the second kind of lounge room. You got a little wet bar over here too. Very, very nice. And we're going to be out into, let's check out you got the laundry room right here. Nice laundry room. And then we'll check out the garage space. Very nice, big space right here. So that's looking all really good. And then we have another bathroom downstairs. All right, so you got 3 bathrooms. It looks like you got a nice big, half bath. You got a nice big vanity and your water loo. I love the tile work on the floor. Is looking really nice. Let's go upstairs and take a peek upstairs. I like you got like that light, that window. It's kind of like a skylight almost, giving a lot of natural light in here. Then you got the carpet looks really good. Upstairs you got carpeting. Downstairs you got the nice tile work. So we're going to have 3 more bedrooms up here. Here's the first one. Looks like about a 10 by 10 space. And you got that bay window right there with the nice cupboard space. And then you got a second, this will be the 3rd bedroom. It's another like 10 by 10 space. A nice open style cupboard right there. The carpet's looking in good condition. You got another bathroom. That's a full bathroom up here with a nice vanity, with nice countertop. And your bath, and the tile work's looking good over there on the shower and the bath. Then we've got one more bedroom up in here. You've got the wood plank flooring. This would be like the primary bedroom. Really nice. You've got a big living area here. Plus you've got like a a balcony right there. And then big mirrored space for your cupboard space. Then you've got your primary bathroom. And you got the nice tile work back in here. I like the look of this tile work back here. It's looking really nice in there. Awesome. And then you've got a nice cupboard space, walk-in closet. Nice big walk-in closet space. So that's your upstairs, and we've seen the downstairs, about 2,500 square feet. So we'll just take one quick look out the back. Right out the back here, you got a great big yard right out here. That's really good. And look at this, you got a delicious pool. Great big pool, those dogs are going crazy. And massive big pool, Big trees. And look at that, that's all enclosed in glass, that area downstairs. That's looking really cool. So that'll be nice in the wintertime. You got a entertainment area out there to eat in and to hang out. Plus the pool is a big feature of this home. Really, really nice. Going for $520 on a great big, it's almost a third of an acre sized lot, 2-story. All right. I love this backyard and this pool. It really makes this place. Plus you got this right behind me where the dogs are barking like crazy. You've got that enclosed zone right in there. Makes it a really nice place. What do you guys think? $520, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, third of an acre sized block, pool. Awesome. All right, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think.